Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Solving this logistic growth problem is actually super fast if you know the secret trick. Let's find exactly when that spreading rate hits its peak. First, look at our differential equation where the rate of change depends on the current population. We see the carrying capacity is 4,800 based on the logistic formula. The question asks for the point where the rate changes from increasing to decreasing. That specific moment happens exactly when the growth rate reaches its absolute maximum value on the curve. In logistic models, maximum growth occurs at half the carrying capacity. Dividing 4,800 by 2 gives 2,400. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on signs and trust the given carrying capacity for success.